Hi everyone, welcome back. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Welcome back, welcome back. So we are back again in a new video reaction. I just want to go through this post, with you. This is gonna be a quick one, like always, and we have to start by saying thank you to all of you that joined us in our later broadcast yesterday. Or rather this morning, because we spend a lot of we spend a lot of time. I think it would have we streamed around I think about 5 hours, if I'm not mistaken, 5 hours plus. You know, and it was awesome. And we have some visitors in the house in that stream. People from Oginkere. One of them, Williams. I believe you are going to watch this video, William. I appreciate you for joining us. And let me quickly say this. I noticed something about fallback people keep as well because of the video of PM and taking picture, hugging PM in Finland. The confidence and the trust in these people is laughable. Honestly, some of them, like William, was busy, reminding us that he will see what you're gonna do when PM comes out. They actually believe that PM will come out and they say, hey, you guys that declare Biafra, you guys that talk about USB, United States of Biafra, you guys are morons. Get away from me. I don't know you. I don't want to talk to you. I know that. That is shocking, to be honest. I don't believe that people will actually sit down, think, and come out with that kind of narrative that that's what PM is going to do. Why I'm saying this is also connected with what I see on the screen. But before then, let me encourage you to like the video, subscribe to the channel, tell us what you think about what we're about to discuss. Make sure you share it and give it a thumbs up. Very, very important. So William was not the only person. I've seen many people after that you know a kind of target for fundraising that they themselves decided to dish out and to cook up something and in name of proving that PM is for them. Even though I gave them their flowers because it is not easy as long as they made PM and put smile on PM's face, that gladdens my heart. But the intention, like I always tell you, is totally, totally different. So many of you already know the intention. Many of you understand the handwriting on the wall. But that goes to show because I've made this appeal and I'm gonna make it again to USB to step up and stop um, you know taking them for granted as if it doesn't matter and all that. So Biafrans in a huge number of Biafrans, a lot of people actually followed USB government, believe and trust in USB government simply because of the reality and the way it's supposed to be. We all can say that that had been the plan and the target of PM, and that after Biafran has been declared, then you have to maintain the word USB while you are pushing for the other thing that follows. Do you understand? But in the argument of Fallback Republic, they will tell you that no, you don't need to go with USB anymore. Once you declare it, just run away from it because it's quite poisonous. Run away from it and start, start embracing fallback because Briggy is the only way to go. That is the only way to stand and all that. We have seen it all. We have seen it all because we actually know the template of PM and we know what he intended to achieve and why he did what he did. But some of them are pretend that it doesn't matter. No matter what you feel, it doesn't matter. Just ignore that and fall back. Falling back is into that they can need USB blow. So we have seen it all. That's what I'm trying to say. But the only thing that hold us stand, that make us believe that we are right, is because we actually understand, we're able to understand or articulate the game plan or the target that PM have led, the method of the achievement of Biafran freedom as he led down the rules and regulation, and he made it clear to us that after referendum that comes USB. But people who actually voted, they are busy telling you, don't, it's not true, don't mind them, it's not going to work and all that. So we are here this morning to correct the dots, like I said. So this is a post that Ross made because I don't want to continue talking about Fallback Republic without giving you the update of the hour. Roy said this: greetings, conscientious reference. I am pleased to announce to you all that PMC Score Group and BLA are currently neutralizing Nigerian terrorist army and Ebubago in Okigwe, Emene, Mpo, Oka, Eket, Agulu, Nanka, Ekulobia, Ekuzigbo, Agorele, Okpanan, Ikwu Ano, Olokuro, I don't know where is Olokuro, and Nando, Neni, Eteche, Inteche, and Ngokbala, and Izombe. We are crushing the fall. The past 1 week, their body, they tell them on daily basis, not face obese, not okay, let's face obesity. We move with speed. Sign Roy's PMC Score Group. Now, reason why I'm bringing this to you, why I actually read this at all, it sounds good, isn't it? It sounds like they are now busy, and all that. Good. But hardly we get this kind of response or update before. You see what PM President can do. You see what PM President can do. Whether it is real or fake, I'm not here for that. Okay, because I've actually tried my best to check on some of these places that he mentioned, and I'm not gonna share the outcome or like what the result I got about it, if whether they're doing something there or not. So I'm not gonna share anything, but anything is possible. So let me just end it there. PM appearance and people having access to PM to take pictures and videos have actually triggered a lot of people to believe that finally they have won the heart of PM and everything. And some people are now sitting up to do what they should have done very long time ago. I am still disappointed on Uche, in Finland, because he's in Finland and all this while he did not do what he's supposed to do. But thank God, yesterday he appeared in the court. It's not good enough. You have been there all this while. What happened? Why were you not doing what you're supposed to do? So this actually raised some questions, and I'm not gonna go further about it. The only thing I want us to understand is that if you have opportunity to gain the support and love of their friends, please and please don't misuse it. All this thing is something that everybody wants. We know that it's not easy for CS and reference to battle and stand go toe to toe with people who are wounded, because many of them actually rely on the outcome of the what the movement can offer. I'm trying to choose my word because I don't want to offend anybody. Okay, so we know. Let me not go there because I understand that sometimes most of people, many of these people that we actually believe that they love us and they're for us are not actually what we think. But that's a story for another day. I will just keep my eyes on everything. Like I said, coming together to achieve one thing, one goal can only be, you know, um, it can only be true or it can only work with PM in question, with PM in the driving seat, with the PM being in the midst or in presence of everything, His presence will do a lot, and it has started. The writer we are seeing here is powered by PM present. The people who are now the fallback republic bragging about how the where USB will be once PM come out and all that. The reverse may be the case, but I'm not gonna say anything about it. Let's just keep my finger crossed, because I cannot just make out any meaning reason why people will believe that PM will come out and begin to chase USB people or see us away like that. I don't understand, but time will tell. Anyway, my people, this is a quick reaction that I just want to make this morning. God bless you, and make sure you like the video before you go. Tell us what you think about everything. God bless you. I'll see you again. Bye bye for now.